Wallet security tips and tricks. That's what I'm going to be talking about today. But you've got to remember, guys, this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. So let's get straight in. Let's talk about crypto wallets first, all right? Especially on the Coinbase side. So crypto wallets keep your private keys, the password that give you access to your cryptocurrencies. Safe and accessible, so allowing you to send and receive cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. They come in many forms, from hardware wallets to Ledger, which actually looks like a little USB stick, and mobile apps like Coinbase Wallet, which makes using crypto as easy as shopping with a credit card online. Now, comparing hardware to software. So hardware wallets, also known as cold wallets, are devices you can fit in the palm of your hand. Most models are Bluetooth-enabled devices that look like small remote controls, or are flash drives. So the device is secured by a pin that you should never write down or share with anyone else. And you should designate a safe and private spot to store your hardware wallet. Similar to non-custodial wallets, you are solely responsible for keeping track of the device and remembering the pin, okay? So if you lose it, your crypto accounts are locked. There's no locksmith that can open it for you. As long as you keep track of your hardware wallets and they're very secure, most models are equipped with malware, virus, proofing security features. Now, what I want you to do is check out these tips to ensure your assets are safe and secure in your crypto wallet. These are the best tips you can get. Number one, check your accounts regularly. So it's imperative that you check your crypto wallet regularly to ensure that your accounts look in order so you can catch suspicious activity quickly. Crypto wallets and your digital wallets are unlike the physical one you carry in your pocket and your bag, because when your physical wallet goes missing, you're likely to notice it quickly. Phone keys, wallet is a mantra most of us sing before walking out the door. Plus, everyone knows the immediate steps to take when a physical wallet goes missing. Retrace your steps, put a hold on credit cards, file for a new driver's license. If you think something is amiss with your wallet, cancel any credit cards linked to your account, change your password immediately, and set up two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Now, guys, number two, set up two-factor authentication. So speaking of login security, also make sure you enable the two-factor authentication if it's one of the best ways to deter theft. If your device has biometric authentication, that's even better. This means that you can only scan of your face, voice, or fingerprint will open your accounts. And number three, probably most important, know how to identify your crypto wallet scams. Watch out for the phishers who may be persistent to try and gain your access to your cryptocurrency accounts. If anyone by email, text, phone, or snail mail asks for your private key, ignore the correspondence and go on a higher alert. Never share your private crypto key with anyone. Phishing attempts often use fear or excitement to trick people into divulging personal information. So do not fail and don't fall for the messages. Don't fall for the messages masquerading as contests or as a crypto company that need your private key to restore your accounts. There we go, guys. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. And I'm going to see you on the next video.